Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Buds. In today's episode we are going to be looking at how we can make Tawa Fish Fry. For this, let's add the masala: chilli powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon, then cumin powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, adequate salt as required. We'll also add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of rice flour. The purpose of adding the rice flour is to get a crispy texture to the fish. To this I'm adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Two reasons for adding Kashmiri red chilli. Number one, it'll give a good color, and also the spice is little less. I'm going to add juice from 1 lemon. Gives a tangy touch. After this I'm going to add little water as required. Please ensure that you don't add excess of water because we are looking to create a thick paste here so we can apply it over the fish. So add water little by little to make it into a thick paste. The consistency should not be a running consistency. So to this we'll add ginger garlic paste, about 2 teaspoons. Optionally you can grind 2 shallots or small onions and also add to it. Mix it really well. So we have prepared a nice paste here. If you want to be sure enough, you can just slightly touch it and taste it before you apply it on the fish to ensure that the masala is properly done. For today I've got some wonderful pomfret fish slices that's sliced thinly, and I'm going to remove all the excess moisture after washing to ensure that masala sticks well to the fish. We do not want excess moisture on the fish because we want the masala to stick really well. So once we are done with removing this excess moisture, we'll start applying this masala paste on top of the fish. Actually we are supposed to apply it on all sides. So we'll first apply it on the top and then flip it upside down. As you can see, I'm using a disposable plastic glove because I don't want the masala to be burning in my fingers after I apply the masala. Because we are dealing with chilli powder here, we have to be extremely cautious. Pomfret is one of the tastiest fish and one of my personal favorite. Probably you can say this is a queen of fishes. The king being the sea fish, which is called as Vanjaram in Tamil. In Malayalam, this is from the family of Karimin. So it's really tasty, and this can be given to even babies and kids. So after applying the masala on all the sides, let's rest it for 2 hours for the masala to soak properly. Then we'll just do a tawa fry. I have added oil in a tawa and that's heated up. I'm adding the fish slices onto it. After the oil is heated and you add the fish, change the flame to low or medium low because we don't want the fish to get burnt on the outside. Let it there for about 10 minutes, after which we'll just flip it around. So the one side of the fish is nicely done and fried. Looks yummy to me. Haven't used this induction tawa in a while, and hence finding it difficult to flip it around because it's just sticking to the surface, as you can see. So after 5 to 10 minutes, the other side will be cooked as well and fried, and that's when we are done. So once the other side is also cooked, we are done and ready. So we are done now. We'll just shift this fish to the plate and we'll add oil, let it heat up and load the next batch. So do try it at home. It's a wonderful fish tawa fry. Let us know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. Do subscribe to Taste Buds. See you soon with another video. Thank you.